not win more Premier League titles. It is also the reason Klopp ain't need to do what he said the year can. So he was denied by an extraordinary team, but he still pushed and broke that chain of extraordinariness. How extraordinary Man City was, the obe breaking that chain no, is Jurgen Klopp. And it is the Premier League, Sir World of Champions, Netoswa. The City, the fin. But for Klopp, City would have won it 5 in a row. Can they at in come here 5 at Twaso? Or the Toswa, the breaking City, a Liverpool in between. City 2017-18, 2018-2019. Then Liverpool comes in 2019.
Okay, 7 in a row. 7 over 7.
So it tells you the volume of worker Jurgen Klopp bear, but the impact, you know, if you limit it to just the football pitch and the Oyema Liverpool, that is where you make, excuse me to say, an unnecessary argument about say so you're great or you're great. His impact
also be cross in 9 years there. Ebi abeka say impact mwenya.
But impact is immense greatness. There is a difference between most successful and a great.
Sompa Sports.
Most successful, no, you will be counted based on the numbers.
Okay.
And today na why most successful relates to quantity. Greatness relates to quality. So greatness you do a qualitative analysis and an impact assessment. Impact is quality. Qualitative analysis, no, ebi one, the number of players you touched and improved them or changed them. That is a quality assessment, impact assessment. So Klopp is a great. He's not one of the most successful managers, but if you are measuring his impact, Klopp impact for Premier League no fancy a bro Jose Mourinho there so. I'm telling you, I'm not talking success. I'm talking impact. The impact of Klopp in the Premier League, a bro Jose Mourinho there so. And I know my reasons. Klopp and the Liverpool fraternity. Liverpool is a traditional club, a big club. You come there as a successful coach, but you might not make the impact now. Klopp won Anfield, won Liverpool all over.
And he net laurels no one.
Debbie, he won them all over. That say he transformed them from doubters to believers. Oba na Diego, he helped them to build. Now they have a solid, firm foundation. Mourinho's is just limited to success on the pitch. On a Chelsea J League for the first time in 50 years anyway. But me catch say, tell me the legacy of Jose Mourinho. Ewa Chelsea again. What is it? Can you pinpoint one thing? Omo Muti, Omo Moshe, they can also help. Teach me. I want to learn. Give me one legacy of Jose Mourinho at Chelsea. Klopp's legacy. Good. There's the impact. Oko Liverpool. Yeah, we be almost friend or
no. Can we count in the back-to-back? Back-to-back league titles. And Chelsea had gone 50 years without a single league title on the BJSR league, you know. And they won the league with on record 15 goals conceded in the league.
Has it been bettered?
For Chelsea's 50 years in the league, there, I think it's something we need to respect.
The Mourinho has it been bettered?
Maunse Kwabena Usu on Facebook say he made Stamford Bridge a fortress.
I think the 50 years. Chelsea had not won the league.
Okay. Mourinho's legacy, bro Chelsea so that home undefeated run now or one, it goes beyond Chelsea. The legacy, the Akomiabu Bosono, a achievement, a success. It is not a legacy. And Kasa legacy, no from Abramovich. He changed Chelsea's destiny. Oh, Pedro was a Chelsea Shebra, a Roman Abramovich. So the legacy rests with him.
But
Obesaki coach for Beba, he will achieve the same level of success or even do better than the Mourinho here. But at Liverpool, Klopp defined a culture.
Yes, and John W. Henry.
David only define a culture, no. Liverpool's style of play, pattern of play, everything has been done by this man. He changed them. Nanya say no mutie o. So people now see the identity, the culture of Liverpool based because of this man. Again, the impact transcends the football pitch, but football the this man picked Van Dijk from a middle table club, polishes him to an elite leveler or pray for the world best player. Not just Van Dijk, but Salah. Not just Salah. There is Mane. There is Roberto Firmino. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Andy Robertson was Obio de Wemoko relegation Hull City. He was bought for peanut. Transforms him into a world-class left back. Impact.
Why not?
Yes. So I'm talking Premier League legacy, greatness. Klopp bro Mourinho so. Success Mourinho bro Klopp so. And if we understand it that way, it makes it very simple for us. Now, the impact na football pitch no so no. Ebi and say the people of Liverpool, he has touched so many hearts. Wasisa bebre abrabo. One the ono ye o Liverpool ebi ma hwe e dey improve your munwuma. Ebi ma hwe e dey improve your life. And directly omo ono ankasa call omo mo asesa omo. So if you go to the city of Liverpool, your nipa mienu a omo nye UK for and omo nye England for a yama omo the freedom of the city. Abasbody e de ma. Baku ye Nelson Mandela. The next Jurgen Klopp. Inti show. Edi Nelson Mandela. Klopp is the next. So please, this should not even happen anywhere. Say, now Klopp no by Liverpool. He has been a great exactly, and he's an immortal. They will never forget.
Because for the kind of Mandela, they now kind of Klopp about into that category. Say about Benya, say can he Douglas me drew be name we dia. Yeah. Liverpool for transfer from some but omo nyasa recognition.
Debbie. He's made Salah who he is now. Check Liverpool records, ne check baby Salah Van Dijk. Inti simple. Pep, Klopp, and the greatness is cemented. He has created a certain Premier League legacy. A better thing. Some manager be Liverpool, he will wipe it away. I don't know what happens to Ancelotti, but their Klopp I am maker.
Mourinho's impact on Chelsea is Wall of Jericho.
No problem. Pep Guardiola. He is the beginning of Man City's rise. And then he will also be their fall when he leaves. A sana which are to one. Obient me mama yentra. I'm not talking trophies, Premier League or Maggio. I'm talking what Pep has instituted. The culture of perfection. Man City ball no more bonnet or more yeno. It will be extremely difficult. And until Xabi Alonso can say, call Liverpool, no. It was because he measured the impact of Klopp at Liverpool. In the same vein, said Man City for the confirm manager for fraud in Naba, they will measure the impact of Pep near the Atoto.
Klopp waha.
Enti Pep no. If he leaves now, it is the beginning of the fall of Man City. Yes, and this guy, honors one of the greatest Premier League managers. This is a guy who was written off. But now, when you say, excuse me, one more than now, your mother side or the father side. Say the oil was Spain or the England that stoke for the bed dino.
Premier League for the kind.
Omo say, Bono. On the wet, rainy night, I was stoke. 20 pillars near Rory the lap more.
And then what test more?
Now this guy has come. And he's changed the face of the league. Now, almost every team, exactly the point. And to make a success,
and our goalkeeper to me impossible.
Men can't wait success. No success but this guy becomes a Premier League immortal. He will not be as invincible as Arsenal and Arsene Wenger. But Sefatia for Town Chroma City was made for Pep, and the moment he leaves, it becomes a problem for them. Another immortal is Xabi Alonso, but Ada Gula or Che say your destiny can be delayed but never denied. You don't need 100 games.
Sompa Sports
Quality. As a down confirm man.
Mike, me that say Michael Sarbodu and so no. Time about Misha omo ewo dwaso and as a time about center. Omo product no time about Misha no ewo dwaso eye adwuma panti. Mo malaria fever ne when I'm re edimunya na say wonu mato aduane nya de aduane wo bi anka otimi waibo pa ba wan pa na say de ni su wani mu as wonu onte de bomodi an say dread fan is a time. Heba Misha no be pebi enso an mo ba wa fafro nya ma wa foforo ba no tuanu fa no nya ma ana afei ana ba no only muro 12 years any kwan so onum bi time HH ba Misha and the capsules enso wo ho eno so ayi adwuma siesie wo ba mo was oba no wase ebenyam emo ba wonya tenkan fro ba wonu kunu ekompa so abete de bia be fine enso ama bema so ensansan gu bema ho na man so vita bi efru bema mo ba no ya bombone say dread fan say time HH ba Misha either so wo to no ana so beto HH capsules ni nyina na ya adwuma ba ko 0244 417 669 and wo pe internet stable internet connection I will fear NHS so nyumam fast first reliable ya affordable o mo kapi e wo ho e wa bra wo chese nkurasi nkronketuom be bia obia no internet ya be connect ya ma ya ma wifi na se bia hotspot enso amamo ye install CCTV cameras amao wo pe IPVT installation and surveillance afei digital security locks ana we here bomadian so on a cloud internet empenfo no enso ebe kasa onyumam ene ofie mu nkwada no ebenya bi ede asua de aye cloud internet omo top high omo enso ewo kuma omo ene chese kuma woman rural bank na building ba komo tishan enso emam one love fm enso d and mhwe cloud o from ewo 0202 699 110 0244 601 933 internet ne de a cloud enche ana abeko apostle memra ho no mai
quick one bibi aboko de
anyame ade me be finance way
bibi aboko
same say wo can some no say fan serious na de nyoma aya na manfo bi fan your light
no worry
because wo can Usyk say or you better chain
posterity judges say
or you better chain
normal thing normally
unia
bro chama be make say I didn't
go fast some mama me
magaro example be unique community governor
yeah.
So let's proceed.
So we need na tips no basikano how they be trying to
now time in here but I'll continue as a part of this tomorrow. Shadrack quick one and Nema the way I'm person me and the time intimate and sir and Shadrack ule mami the musical into Shazon performing dance now no me the bibi now see this Niami be Kenya historic and see what boxing da
okay
stage na Shazon performing dance now no on stage you know stage you know ring no so
ring and me was na pampem
fantastic so there's a ring and that's the stage
okay so boxing ring in na form na who ropes no and a stage in na soro no
that's a different
level.
No, it's not just about money. It's not about the money but the expertise to get the thing done to be the best ever on level no. Okay, now, but promotional trailer no mommy. Now, but check if you don't. Promotional trailer no yeah 2 boxes no. Omo video my to promote that.
Yeah, sound.
Yes.
And now to the present day, the Fury family of the Gypsy Clan, a fighting man, born of a fighting father, with passion in his heart and pride in his voice.
Now, HBO, I know money boxing, I'm more into entertainment now. I'm more 24 hour, I'm 24/7. I'm more countdown to major bouts, and I'm more everything about the box. I'm more winning count in this manner. That is what they've picked. They've picked HBO's trailer promotion. And what they are telling you now that boxing today, especially heavyweight, almost far for US and some. US is finished.
Yeah, you can't quit here.
US, no. Almost they are called different level that US cannot match. So US is finished. Now, on the main call about proper, but ring walk, no, like I said, one of the traditions are all boxing my old 93 from one rap from the dressing room, now a ring walk number. So my Usyk ring walk no. We Fury yes, but Usyk never first. Usyk never because we are WBC champ. So Usyk ni. He's dressed like an Asian because
Well, here he comes, ladies and gentlemen. Talk about an introduction. Former amateur world champion, former Olympic gold.
Mami Usyk, Mami Tyson Fury. Tyson Fury only Papa John Fury. Barry White, first, last, and everything. And I'm also Chico, Bonnie Tyler. They're my hero.
Will the king wear the crown? Will Tyson Fury stand alone on boxing?
The ring, Michael Buffer. Announcement of the two boxers. Time into me, Church Animaso.
Make some noise for yourself
Michael Buffer.
Alexander
Now, so this is the ring be paid, so that's Bob. We can't have our friends who done in the team, so I don't trust him when it comes to the patient for this particular game. Now, wow, the lighting, how the stage have been lifted. This people are something else. Now, this Michael Buffer doing the introduction of the two boxers.
Entertainment Authority, Gold Star Promotions, K2 Promotions, and SARE. 12 rounds of boxing for the undisputed Earl. Ladies and gentlemen, for making this event possible, King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. His Royal Highness, the Chairman of the General Entertainment Authority, His Excellency Turkish Organization. For this fight will be the Middle Eastern Boxing Commission. Presidents are the IBF, Carol Peoples, IBO, Ed Levine, VC, Mauricio Suleiman, and WBO, Francisco Paco Barcarcel. Should it go the distance from the United States, Mike Fitzgerald, Olivier Paloma, and inside the ring, in charge of the action at the bell. And now, it's undefeated versus undefeated. The officials are in place, and they are ready. The fighters ready. For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching, Libya, let's get ready to rumble!
So, all the normal traditional formalities. But how no there? Oh, how no?
Yeah.
That Turkey Alashik, the general entertainment, on the chairman of the general, on a when you see on baby age in Ronaldo that we won't minimum mark and team control.
Davi.
Oh, they say, ha, and
Take it sick.
now, but the ringside are very expensive. Where the ringside was $40,000. We are ringside for this bout. $40,000, yeah. Ringside $40,000 for this bout. $40,000.
Omanim kwana screen essence womanim.
Yeah. Now, so let's get into the details a bit. Now, ahead of this bout, my catch order say Usyk Alexander ekun for the mine on Bafosika. And so round 2, I'll start from some few rounds. Usha round 2. He started round 2 blistering than round 1. Round 1, they were all making sure say Obia measured in Yonko. But round 2, he started on the front foot with a left hand and then 5 body shots. That's it. Now Fury was struggling. So Fury 1-2 combination, but he came back again with combinations. So he won this particular round. Now he won round 3. So he won round 1, 2, 3. Round 4. This bout was about moments. Round 4, Round 4 was when Fury a bar Baltimore. Now, what Fury did was throw a wild left hook that caught the chin, kakra, so about destabilizing. And that then gave him the opportunity to now throw another left hook. And then combination. Usyk up to left and had him on the body shot. But then double uppercut and a right from Abrante Fury again and not taking control of the bout from round 4. Round 5, he did same excellent combination, right uppercut, and then also
Sompa Sports.
Round 6, the same thing. 7, same thing. Round 8, there was a problem a little bit because now Fury complains that the right arm no way up. There was a problem there because of the punch that he received. But that was, he had 2 double left hook, an uppercut, and then Usyk emano uppercut emane huni na moja bafini huni. Yeah. Then a right hook. Then he went back again, a right uppercut and a left hook. And he won that round. Round 9, moment of truth. So Usyk we need 1, 2, 3. Fury we need 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boxing a 1-punch sport to be a maker. 9. The moment of truth, the defining moment of the whole battle. Round 9, it didn't see it. Fury, a mistake, drop his guard or drop in the defense, no, and then Usyk sending a snapshot left to the chin. That's it. And here, boxing, when a punch hits your chin, you are finished. Say any pakro Michael to me, I mean man the chin, me man we back go there. But all titi whatever come.
Shanka obo Michael China.
Aye.
Carbona me had. So you see Guinea Bia.
So that's it. Now that was the beginning of and the end of Fury. Because of that, almost say why you confused, why you dazed. I mean 6'9" Yeah. So when that happened, he started combination, good left hook, uppercut. So now he was moving from one rope to another. But because Sebi or a Berman here, Obifu Fra, any boxer without him, I was tough him. Because he weighed 262 pounds for this particular bout. So somebody 262, that a sniping shot like that, wonderful left. So at the whole round, he was, fortunately for him, referee McNelson started or the 10-second mandatory count, and a bell no save you. But for the bell, he would have knocked him down. But one thing that I've proven, in spite of all that, he was moving from one rope to another, but not on the floor. Just like the Wilder first bout.
Yeah.
What do you say?
1 or 2.
So, I mean, this was the beginning there. And then, on the reference that they counted McNelson. So the bell saved him here. He was dazed, left hook upon left hook, and the weapon for him is the left.
Or southpaw.
Or southpaw. He's a southpaw.
Wow.
That's why you have the
left
right leg. So, round 10, so how will Usyk come in and how Fury respond? Fury and Timmy responded. He double up, pressure him aggressively, fighting in angles, variety of shots. Only the other say, oh baby, it can come from the mid range, it can come from the body shot, rib cage, and now say it can come from the left hook, it can come from the right, it can come straight at your face, overhead right, overhead left. So because of fighting in angles and his movement, tremendous footwork in T. What was the last time we about the footwork and what it does? It created a lot of opportunity for him to attack in angles. And the baby punches in favor. And then round 11, championship round. Every major world title bout, judges say championship rounds. The championship rounds are around 11 and 12. Reasons. Emra Wabre, you must fight through the pain and show a heart of a champion and endure and make sure that baby you cross the finish line. That's what I call the championship round. And all our judges, I quoted Oscar de la Hoya. I quoted lost the bout last 2 rounds. So you had round 11, he was aggressive, was pressing him because him said he need to impress the judges.
Yeah.
And the knockdown already has given him 10-8 instead of 10-9. Because that was counted as a knockdown anyway in round 9. So that gave him an upper hand. And now we're in round 12. Now let's listen to Usyk post-bout interview.
You feel like a knockout was stolen from you?
I don't think about it.
because we have winner. Okay, maybe. I don't think about it because we have win. Yeah? Okay, no knockout, no problem. But
now what is done? He's Mike Eka immortal. Me dabi about to immortality and legacy. Usyk is an immortal. Where if he had won free, would have been he had just established legacy of winning undisputed. This young man we are seeing is 37 years. So listen, in the history of boxing, no boxer has ever won a cruiserweight 4 belts and then a heavyweight 4 belt. Never. What is done? Boxing has never a history.
Sompa
4 belt cruiserweight, 4 belt heavyweight.
Me who confidence ni be that.
There is a cruiserweight. It's a natural cruiserweight. It's a natural cruiserweight.
Me who confidence ni be that.
It's a natural cruiserweight. And then as you speak now, at the end, there's a rematch clause. The rematch clause is a two-way clause. So what it simply means is a free must trigger it or trigger on to me country. Now say we are CBB or Yebia Kayochina. Now the rematch he will get 70% of the players like that. We are saying now that's 30. But I did back home before Bekono and I say the rematch will not have the 4 belts.
Yeah, we lose back
because IBF award the mandatory challenger in Philip Hegovich. Philip Hegovich need Daniel Dubois in the Beku. Now Bompa say WBO soon can't tell someone mandatory fight for. Come back to you there. So Tyson Fury will fight the rematch with him when it's not undisputed. Might be a unicorn, but not the 4 belts.
Okay. I know. Opa. Onya point. I really say.
This guy has a better boxing legacy.
What is that is? But in Crawford, no, look, Michael. On emotions, what the Saudi Arabians are doing is spectacular.
And boxing history.
Because Hall of Fame.
Usyk no. Undisputed.
Wafa Hall of Fame ring announcer. Edene Saudi.
And
this
bout will forever be etched in the history of boxing.
Yeah.
Across away.
Saudi Arabia. Miss Wafa Hall of Fame.
The entertainment bit which has not been part of boxing in America. And how they do, Michael? Look at where the state is.
America for permanent entertainment.
Book boxing and
Yanko commercial break. And yes, I'm Yanko Shark.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. Higher grade A private
One I'm a taste of Bano say or Canada.
Oh, woko, okosuku.
Na yesi a japi abano so or nanso no die or kwaye adwuma.
Me say, amanfo kwakwa no. Enya gro.
Jaya no hwan e de won kwasa no.
Oh, Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Bese otukwa kwa ma no ne die. Wode obekwa simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Next year visit and now turn so Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa wade obeko. Say ya juma so wade obeko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Kumase, Asafo Leba, Runabout Wa, and crying, Kanechi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani, Silver House, our High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale, Teaching Hospital, Takrade, Market Circle, and our offices, our Mabebre, so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448. Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Binaunumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say mani peduan kwamwa enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the
time time ebedwa so no wono a na the time herbal mixture e dia bedwa so akora wonyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wopemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufuo enso enum bi time herbal mixture wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time herbal mixture e yedro say FDA ade edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford there na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush
oh sweetheart Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena de ya moku hu Ashford Princess and obra ko dudie no so Ashford Galaxy wodie na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
without Ashford toothbrush
my dear Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear papa moto ne to me bro dodo mi ye dwane bia akwahyehe ho Ashford Prince Ashford Princess Ashford Friendly Ashford Evident Ashford Executive ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes Fibo Ventures na akofa bedwa so etu phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934 Ashford toothbrushes they will soon
if I shop down, I'm sure you're bad.
And that's okay.
What time about Michelle see about Queen Wayne and say?
Bra, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy me fear for any idea about ever so.
Really, do this offering now.
Bra, some make us a midi time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, where drawn time about Misha.
I never go, dear, no more to I want to meet any deal. What drawn a time about Misha? A drink and your map or bar waffle through. Dear one map for down for any aquada when you fear to me and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever the other is Ziba, a woman. Even slap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers.
Any herbal shop to do namu.
FDA Aji a judging cratoi at home.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. Higher grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses near general art, science, business, no waka couple. Ever St. Andrews SHS, oh yeah, dinner ever pass. Osana one teachers now. What's your window? Discipline. No first one was yati. St. Andrews, Riviera Waha, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Hurricane Abate, Pico Farm say, Warren Jimbo from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Riviera Wagana, Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, go school over Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
Perseverance leads to success.
Mama baba gentleman dental clinic yedwuma bi ayedi ane say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afare ntuma pa efira fe yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession no mu na ye finish cleaning and polishing say ebia enema bi ahyehye esen mu say bi okasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebamu afe ebi wo so na nesen wanya messing teeth ye woni si no ahodo bebre oba gentleman dental ye ni na bi wo gentleman dental clinic ye wo koforidua central police station and Chenwa, and I would do and kind so I wonungwa and atomic down, don't make what being a runabout on so and I would do takwa the pipe one traffic light and a pipe one yene OGN bank and with the same premises and a kachiman so your magazine market a so and I say opposite AY Ahmed and I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction total filling station wa traffic light na and if G runabout on free total filling station I have sign on a edio a year you may free Eda Joda Popem Eda Memeda.
Vodafone Ghana S Ako Telecelu
nkwankyɛmu bi afrɛ 0267 084048. Dwumadie yi sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔsɔ asene anaa sponsor call your website www.allregionalgames.com. All Regional Games 2024 and Wolemongo.
Yes, yemre na fe Luther King Emfa local stories no emetua so emenemu Boris Bees chicken akoko no makacho say eye kama mo amoje amanfo orders wa bro mo ye wedding engagement parties and programs mo no anuane mo no say obeyusu akoko na menko dia Boris Bees dia na me kamfo e de ama restaurant for nature say mo amoye chop bar na fe fast food for ni nyina no Boris Bees chicken akoko na eye kama eye halal inti so to bi e de ye aduane na bi obi betobi na nipa no eye muslimini a enkonkofa asemu bia ma tie no bi na also to your full chicken our chicken rings our thigh afa your gizzard and just a mince one ya de ama won krama e wo fie ni nyina no wunya no bi nso de kwa ya na boa ma ne man so eye fine e de ma moa no enti akokonam na wo part our brawe yemfa duro bia hyehyɛ a kyese fie akokɔ eye kama ode yenkwan ode ye stew enso e de serve wa ho wan kasa ho bi nso fie Boris B chicken edian na also kona akopebi enso eto aswase market obenya bi afi poku trading ewa dum SG mall ewa top pa na make us Bantam High Street yene presby asori no enso edi enmhwe eye 0544444453 now Boris B and so enjoy so Yas toothpaste and afi Yas toothbrush and so no makacho say e wo dwa so ya bomode anso be pebi and so ato e de shoes ya boapa ma nyoma nyina no and so eye kama Yas total care Yas bal and afi Yas whitening and so eye adwuma wo benya Duke Prince and afi Princess and Duchess and enkwada ne de ni nyina no enom eye Yas toothpaste and afi Yas toothbrush and komodie and eye di upebi ato Doom Pizza Kajetia runabout to Benya B 0501 390337 0501 390338 now what you dear Kulun Ghana Limited omo and a day nupan abejaso a trainer for helps omunu bina and omo ha mano womo e de aye nroi ensom abejaso oyo ba na awon nsem aye din ama ope drobe ohro wa wodie mu amantempa so abema no boss wana chese wo ba be ye ba e de ato ye funu mu a ye dref fan say araba basin tablet afi wo ba irregular menstrual flow ebi abosume so adabia wote yawo e wase wo cramps e ba chese wo ye ho hwenye ye wo cramps enti ye yi wadi wadwuma mu ani esan se bosume ba beso a untimi nkwa adwuma sans wa ye mre obidi akra ba gise de no hospital ye araba basin tablet e bejo bema obetimi a kire obobre e wo mpam sisiade e beko slow erection low libido ni nyina abejai na premature ejaculation so bekwa ye Mr. Kill and a beboa na mum sa wo Johnson rough o Johnson no Johnson so a what yaw e wo bemem and wachi near can say prostate and abeso bon ho ban a ye drug fan say yunchun capsules and so and a beboa baby aton dro bia kwa obenya bi ye 0244 275429 0206 271016 obeso tu kwan a express group edo obeko na komodo koni nyina no so obeso ko UK anase Canada US anase Australia obeso ram e New Zealand anase Germany express group and so ene dobeko na visa omo jama ticket na fe e bana se mo ambese mo kodi holidays ni nyina no express group ase yen kancha mo se mo mro ma so ye na school for no mo ambese mo koye madisu amoto aso e wa brochire a scholarship asem anase nurses and midwives ni nyina no mo so mo bese mo to amadwuma so e wa manonia express group and so efro Kumasi as yewo asafo labor and about I think crying Kaneshi first light and make us Takrade market circle omo ben hot nesto fast food omo no edian hwena afi bibian so no omo eben court no 0555550067 and 0249000448 Luther
fancy
say bibi I find it
oh nyame adom brekum fo nyina so mo kire
ah wo bo adwuma pa
so brekum die uroma akwaba hotel
okay
ho de omfa so
ho na akwaba hotel
ho na meda
they say if you know ko ba bia ni kwan so mo giska bia
oh da me kokra mo nyimiska
oh nice
Obinti akwaba hotel.
Oh nice.
You have first here banana mama your room.
Now so mo your official hotel partner the Maluta commentary brekum. Okay.
Akwaba hotel.
Sompa Sports.
Because we
oh Friday na me could them. Till Saturday after the game. Na ulma me
na poolside no kakra.
Kotina baby aka.
Poolside no kakra.
Oh Friday me could do around 9 p.m.
La Sunday na jams in so cause.
So
it's Saturday no. After the game. Na some kotina.
Na ye bibi.
Me pay kakra si menim.
Na
say after the game we say release no makra.
Way there was this way Cassandra Frel.
Minimum be your best no pass no man.
Oh right, yemfa nsama hodo ya bobo ano na no pai emfa engu form ewo full time dwumadie no sense every Black Stars head coach yemfa no Otu Ado obekai say abread appointment no man no na ogusu ene Dortmund ene ye adwuma na this particular weekend and Dortmund team no officially omo bid farewell edima Black Stars head coach and second stint no omra no me sha as a full time manager no on for the Black Stars in adwuma na bibia ntimi coming to Dortmund team no etimi eja Black Stars head coach Otu Ado kwan eso omra no me adwuma na bia nya fine jemram so Egypt uramo Egypt CAF we no Confederation of African Amputee Football yenno mo modi dem Amputee African tournament no todwa now result of first round no say NC ekoye oko Liberia Uganda bom 2-0 Kenya etnoma Algeria esom 1-0 Angola ebo Sierra Leone 4-0 and Ghana esu ewini against Gambia 4-0 na Ultra Mrante she goals edma Ghana young Amputee football team na social Abraham Mohamed etwatine dikan ansana Abrante Bakwa ye friend Jaya and Mubarak Mohamed esu di mienu eka ho ama bia so etma fine yentinsim ewo Ghana ye Premier League no match day 30 near results outdoor etodwa no yemfa emamom say na outwa starting from Friday results outdoor by no esi ekwa Nations FC ewo Abrankase Chakra Lions ebomo ekaba mantumante na game biansampi and a game national and a Kasim Mengel one coach Edmatima ye friend Nations FC was say team friend or Samates every say omodi can league no maje 7 points and a separate oma and your omuntoma junior league no enye over.
It has brought the confidence back. The motivation has come back to the team. So I think the boys are motivated to fight for the rest of the matches to gain the points. And we have 15 points left. And the team leading have 7 points difference. So it's not over until it's over.
It's not over until it's over. And we are Sama or can say Kasim Mengel, Nations FC coach Aditudra. Now, Obiye and the coach Oba way from Accra Lions, Alhaji Ibrahim Tanko. What's the said Obio and Wana Banka by the Atonsa? No one is Shia Obeka intimidations. Yentake Accra.
The performance was good, but the intimidation was too much. I don't want to say anything because now if you say anything, you get punished. So congratulations, nation. They beat us and have the 3 points.
You think they were the better side?
No.
And you and Sama coach Ibrahim Tanko said, yeah, Urama, a member be a done ma. So Kasaya dia banka bano ebebo eno enam soma or so on kasa o nemo intimidations there ebi todwa eto so Saturday na Saturday no yenhwe results a etodwa bra uramo Legon City sa omukopie mo daunu their results in the omojia omuchi Great Olympics ebomu 2-1 eno achiro Golden City Park utie commentary no ewo Sompa 93.1 so abra to the bra Asante Kotoko ma bra kotoko Steven Mukwala eto atire di kan e ma penalty by ma Brante friend Steven Amankona eso timi equalize ma no kwa 1-1 hwe Mukwala goal pa Masa gona no dene na no chino Chelsea te referee say offside ama penalty bama Steven Amankwana etimu convert man no 1-1 and no china game na bana wie additional time 5 minutes 10 minutes and na corner bi bae na Brante friend Misaka free eso epem corner no e de to atena num hwe ha penalty niye and Amankwana eso e de to atema bia fine na sa game we no me pacho mame abra Kotoko na se omutra ho Chelsea share second goal no yankwa said na ewurama stadium ne tie brekum Chelsea fans after the second goal ewo Golden City Park no omu Germany papa brekum Chelsea fans no yenti omu after second goal no eno brekum Chelsea supporters no Golden City Park na sani geno ababruta na eno achino na yanhwe samobodu game no ba na wie ono na yama no sui coach diwo hene coach ne adene kwa no adaya ko yama mo de arewo ko na no ma brekum ye dede oton ye toye de okreske nya bi toye e ma de oso pe bi koda nya bi kodae e ma brekum ye fe omo bono abomo gene so na no na game no pa no ebusa coach ye samo board so coach to victory na bow what we need to kotoko dey and how do you do that?
It is not easy as you compare what I've went through since I came here and winning the Kotoko. I know it's a plus, and I'm really happy for that. This is what I was expecting. But we thank God for this winning, and I'll thank the players as well because they comport themselves and they fought for this win. So I'll give thanks to the players and the supporters as well.
O kasewe so be da supporters ni players no ase na omunya abotramo omo no ene ya coach and Dr. Nate Ogumwo ene si coach to wa be di ntwo wa lusu to brekum Chelsea coach then I would be to dwa.
We played well. We had our chances in the first half that we could have gone up by 3 goals or even more. We deserve to have won this game. We played better. We created some few decent chances that we could have taken our chances. But we saw it. I don't want to mention that person's name. Intimidation. That is it.
Men person me boni pani di on intimidations or by any referee Joe Sompa no e de tell the man and watching on you say I say zeze prayer na oba ya osan kwae no na wani manyinya kakra ade zeze final film no e ha kotoko team na
was a big blow to us because he's played in that position for some time now. He's gotten the experience, he's gotten the composure, but then because he had to go out, we had to do a forced tactical substitution, and which I think we were able to keep the tempo, but then somewhere along the line
wasi ehun se zeze prayer no ha kotoko team no position wa bache na omu anka bebo kotoko na no chi no player na onya MVP uramo brekum de ze omo star boy ya Brante Hubert Jew ono na she jersey number 41 de ma brekum Chelsea no ono so no omo pejano mami abra no ma peja the star boy e said uramo brekum e di obi aboy Jew Hubert Jamine ne ye interview na no be pejano say the brekum di obi abono no from A Division 1 or buyer as a winger omo wura mfifa se samo bodu aye no adwuma papa na game no achi no so ye ntede odi tudwa abra se kotoko she ba kono de omo ye
I just a game, I'm going to be trying to go to the I'm not Trantiana. She said, I'm not taking as I'm going to do. It's a very day, and like I said, I'm
you say ye di anya den and the winning game no kotoko and a to atena edikan na yanko Steven Amankwana ho the see row boy see where ne buza say before the game then a coach e ka kire mana semoni abrepa samusha kotoko yi Steven Amankwana na yanhwe nsema coach some board the two players na nim ansa na game no baba be to twa no ye hwe se normal betom na yentie
so here past I got a about 2 minutes the boys here the coach net say the when shaman mirror you see the minute go be say the coach say you ma e can you say much really great ebia start the man the winner wa fa to say it don't go more until no be say the mirror it's no man go to the account but I be the support me call the fans them me more mo da bia yeah to continue me call
Mebusa say amam kwana adentina Shegu akogina coach ogumanim ne kotoko bentua na do nsa ekom ne meku omo momra fam waso da bi okwai man fans otaye de ma omo to Shegu ne nya kotoko ntia na before the game no samobodu catch omo say obesere omo win game we man you say go king no amam kwana wo ye de wa 13 goals so wulidi na obehye say e na aka ho
Inshallah, we know. We have to say,
enu ya dia odi tu dwa no kina se na Chelsea be ko relegation ana yente amankwana mu aye
president mi choko resident ya go ba so mi for go pa don tell me bibia de you can you person you no go you ka tofo ya wonti ya go ba say tofo ni betu na president
and yet the Jano no na yente Chelsea fans no after the game the message ma kotoko for esa said dia awia ye nkuto no nso ye nchini bia omomfa na saa
They can say, yeah, Gambia, a bola, yeah, Tibola say, Mama and Son, a ball, win, lose and draw, and a ball. The BCBI has a share trade, Bian who has support is Libya. Until the Yasin Nanzo of 1 2, they are winnable 2-1. Now, referee, why are they because they see over here, can't talk on it. Yasha clean go, I could talk play and I had the ball, not ball, never to play. Above national ball offside, what is allowed to go? They unfair. What you say? The way he is so signal actually, I'm more who said, "Bisi o kumase a." I almost on your day, taking good heart. Na yanko yeni. Sana be mo football na dey. Etinye tumpo.
Anu yan some of the two just supporters in the cancer brenemo yan twaso na yan hwe Hearts of Oak kwaso ye Hearts of Oak so etna ma Jana Kevin Obin ebe to atena ba kwa phobia ntimante na house coach no Abubakar Watara was say onye happy kura house coach ni somebody atudwa no ano de yenti abro say onye happy omunya bad game omu disappointed game na disaster yenti house coach no
badly. I don't have any motivation today. I don't understand what happened. It's very disaster. It's disappointed completely. The key players who come out for nothing. All the plans are down. It's very difficult, but these boys, I can't understand them. Today you are good, tomorrow you are bad. I don't understand what happened. But today is very bad game. I don't have anything to say. Very bad game. We played 90 minutes without any shoot on the goalkeeper. I'm not happy to this.
Or say bad game only be can or see players no obey deal with the players pa yenti no.
That's the medical team. That's because I don't understand. We play, we train well all this morning. We are well, everything is okay. Very disappointed. Agbesima out. I don't understand for what. Adam, I don't understand for what. Look the substitution we do it. First half we do two. We have only one chance to do another changes. Only one chance to do another change. And Salim go down. I can't do anything. I can change 3 players at the distance. I can't do anything. You don't look at these people. I can't say which player play well today. I'll deal with them. I don't leave them.
Headmaster no I say I will deal with them.
French ni dey enfani ni agro players so mu nima dey ba no mu ko pa chew
also be deal with the players.
Watara French ni ka so be mafia wa
and was say Hearts of Oak so mu danger mu pa.
So what kind of clearly we are
danger. They are in danger.
Every time we are in danger. We are in danger. No, we want more. We need more points to escape. We need a point to escape. Every time is that.
coach abetre sanu yankuri sanu enu ye coach abaka watara no na Ramo Samate so the league leaders enche omo the league in there okwa sama boy a omo say omo na league no omo nya agian ka so omo ji omo ni na no after the game omo twa ball for 3 no yɛhwɛ Central Sports Arena stance num nya sama ba minim some man job football hwɛ game yo hwɛ opomade What's your pomade pa? You feel what Mokakra. No dear no what fans and also the message we buy now fans need some more can say or magic league in the dada no yenti
from the beginning was time for the first half we picked it and we were able to make it. So I can say they really did well. Though they scored a lot of chances, but they did so.
Leg in the air, maybe I don't know, by the grace of God. They didn't chance make a leg. I was it. Nyamisha will be our basketball matters and they say my about 3 goals. Then say leg in the way. The Bible say will be our was some saying I said the last match the body yes when you go in and another man will be ambra.
Can a match winning yeah Jerry because leg no is 61 points.
And your calculation and normal funds and almost some there. Omo fiso omo jewia fi summer boy e ho be sengege and when somebody to Ghana summer boy players no summer test players no ura dressing room kai asa oh no mo be say na mani ju no yen Philip players na kakra Yes. Fancy sorry na minnu yɛn fa competition nyina man. Apostle so be lusu.
Me na me sam me twa me ho hia o.
Oh now dey bibia wo sen na ye ka currency.
Be say my old.
Asa de onim kakra me tuo me ye me nsa ne se ya. On said my
what so crack ne bezile what so crack.
Me ya na ma to. Oh to me. Na Ramo. Jamram na Baba Musa ne say league no dia ye no gi ana na so monya gi awie ye nte samates play ano so de odi tuja.
We are getting there step by step. Inshallah, we are working towards it too. Inshallah, we are going to be.
Inshallah we tell mo beje eno de te ebrana so ye nyina so ansama wodo ebobo no afise mu ne edadwoada anopai e full time dwumadi no so no ye mfansi na fansi ni team no fa de aka nyina nto aso
wo Luther da say ba house of coach ne de okay I'm so our coach ne de ono nani abre pa
coach no
house coach no
me ba chofa me ba ketwa no young we DSP Abigail Saki we auditor Mama Murano no uramu ye ankafo main prison sa ono wo ya ma happy birthday and the young kinetic so no Elvis Ken Jima from Godfather the Don Kinetic say ya ma happy birthday then wadi 2 years ti ya fadwuma di ensia
wo me da say ya ba so Ghana gross mo mo padwuma no youth monje number is ya mane meme nyina na we opportunity and so mo between the ages of 15 ekosi 35 years opportunity wo and adwuma de em say adwuma e wo krom we and so Springboard Roadshow Foundation Women Mastercard Foundation afi Limehouse empenfo no ana carbon minti opportunities our demand agriculture agribusiness technical and vocational skills ya be santeto ya be guide do na fe ya boa ama bibia so aye fine and so our number is 0308 255775 yes yamra so na fe mfa ne kakra na me fa course na meza.
Yes, I think say we can. You might predicting. I don't know.
The more kind of Saturday in the say, I'm say, there's league no more bonnet them one.
Oh, league in the more be our them.
Oh, okay. Parks on a mobile no.
Nations FC not surprising with their results. Become Chelsea against Koroko not surprising. Legon Cities against Accra Great Olympics. I think Olympics will need to be very careful. Said the city can.
Because Moka say Heart of Lions. Moka say Lions in Lusu.
Yes. Now he became United at home to Karela. Lions in Lusu. Lions go fire. Adriana share House of Folk. Mediama RTU. That was a very fair result. Since Waterman Go Stars. When we are no more talk, then Ubenya Samatex any buffer by 3 goals. No more a table no. Now you're from quite fast so predicted the way a table in city. Shadrack boy with the league table. Why because we here because you see permutations now the goals. Now league in where match day 30. That means I got 4 matches. On the league log, you see the Samatex and at team. Fancy Samatex at the team. And if they are ready to and also Mutiminyas has 61 points now. They are done with
what's something this weekend Adriana Stars Airborne Nations. If Adriana beat Nations they go 49. That's a difficult game for Nations.
Very difficult. Yeah. Especially Abra Moko away. Very difficult game.
The 3 points Adriana Nya again has a bomber.
So as it stands, the Mediama so team born the matches na can ni
outstanding.
Outstanding ni na. Team Mediama no 46. And they say the league in the MSN.
No mommy relegation
zone. Mama relegation the other part. Okay.
So
Olympics are
last me can say mixture of the Heart of Lions will not go on relegation. Samatex call Lions. 3 points Lions. That before they go 38 points.
Samatex call Lions difficult game.
No, don't forget about the missing 3 points. I mean, can't difficult game. Don't worry your head about the difficulty. They'll win there. They've shown that in a home. I mean, watch from home, but they've shown that at home and they win. So they'll go 38 points. To gradually, when Heart of Lions go 38 points, they are gradually getting out of the relegation zone. Olympics, now you're very careful. But for they are playing against Miliama. That game one you're careful, they might draw home. So trust me, it's looking very difficult for Bofakwa.
Very difficult.
Very difficult.
Very difficult.
For United, there's almost say goodbye.
Out to you, I see your moko. It's all check Bofakwa. Then they will travel to Legon City.
Dreams they are out. Omenya they will win the outstanding matches, so they don't have a problem. I don't learn to who don't have who qualify. Karela win at home against Zoteman, so they'll go 40 points.
Has no Kotoko Super Bowl.
Jose, no, they are different, but I'm saying that Karela, send me mutual allegation. Karela will meet Zote this week and they will beat Zoteman and they'll go 40 points.
They has to make a allegation, man.
So you see, now this is the danger, Mike. You hear? Now, Osha where has any Kotoko, anything can happen between the two of them. Now, say a Basse has loses that game, Asemkao, and the Karela win. The Karela leapfrog them. Dreams will win, go 38 point leapfrog them. Almost standing. Then Heart of Lions also win. Yeah, that's not good. That's why I coach in a bullful. You understand?
There's an apostle. Kotoko has been safe. Anna.
Kotoko is safe for Chen House of
Okay. For now.
So even has Kotoko, they are playing quite well.
7 points now between Kodokone Great Olympics.
That is bad news.
All those Olympics were an outstanding game to play.
An outstanding game to play.
But was outstanding against Dreams. So
forget the Dreams will win that game. But Dreams were 3 outstandings. So why I say here, Dreams might win 2 and draw 1 against the Olympics. They're possible.
3 outstanding games.
Olympics, on my way performance is not that bad.
On my draw 1.
Yes, someone needs striker. They are not scoring, but their way performance is not that bad at all. So the problem Olympics turn up of acquired, I've said that it's difficult. Short matches now.
Sompa Sports.
But Olympics, Heart of Lions, Dreams. Now Asha, Mike, so you see, Heart of Lions Dreams over film. And trust me, the next game they'll win. So they'll be 38-38. So 3. You see, I mean, can't to what you call, but for quarter Olympics, but for quarter to a large extent, they're on the verge. Now, go Olympics because Karela will survive it. I'm 40 points now. That's good for them. Against Swatahui, they will. Because I'm going to lose will be him. So do anything and everything possible to win. See, I know Great Olympics and no bet you pa. Because Hello Lions be share of fee. They win. Hello Lions win, and then Dreams win. So, Olympics that day, if they are not careful, they might do. Because more anymore, you know, Tio, Dreams uncle, Hello Lions uncle, Carl uncle, the one beko. But Moshe Tebunuza, even Ghost Stars, so many saves out. Michael, yeah, from a hard coin, you know, and yes, saves out. Yeah. Because
so 10 any home games near and win.
That's all.
I think so. Munya, I don't more in 44 no. Well, when you 5.6 points, so you're safe.
You're safe. Ha.
So when you from 5.6 points, so you're safe. Even 4 points, to some extent, you will be
44
safe.
when you're bad. Because we share, we like the Olympics. Oh, I stand when I stand no crap when you're 36 crap. They still need to win at least 2 games more.
Yeah.
Which is difficult now. Looking at the remaining games, no. So only we need 3 games a betting. They can't do that because all much say eba omweni momu nyade go no enyade go no ma and it's affecting them. So so far no betimi career United bofakwa any great Olympics
likely
as the likely teams are ombeko. Yeah.
Olympics there now is obi dance yo mu no. So yes o kwa koyi ne one year careful.
No
enjoy it or the any breast.
One enemy.
1 year careful pe.
Yeah.
But
near who no say omo mienu omo one enemy ntumi bia.
That is a
the Lions omo home performance is incredible. And Dreams will fight back strongly after the loss against Halombe, fight back strongly to win the remaining matches. So
there's a Karela hat for good stars.
No, Karela they will go 40 points by beating Saturday. You mark everything. Home the winning home. I'm home with the game that they win. I'm called because home and so you go 40 points. They will go 40 points. And they are not part of the discussion downstairs. So real time and number for Olympics is going to be difficult. Because the 2 Dreams we win, they are going to get the points. So
what is used to measure performance for us? Quite of us measure performance. How do they reward players with the over minutes? Say, started, tina bench. Quite of us on me, I know
there's a coach in the business.
Samatex is using statistics, data, and technology to win the league. On TRCA because start perform now acquires a vest be a players schedule training no. Omomu obi omu use.
Now how many teams Ghana use be?
Ghana. I think so omope.
Wow.
Yeah, I think so. Who other teams
into America or distance our cover.
Omo woni na heart rate. America net game no cry minute baby out there. They know all of these things. And to tell me player Ben what some matters out here you improve here.
Yes, we
brainy games assassin.
Your man who says
now started with them as a typical defensive midfielder and on the box to box. Kayeke. Now there is an offensive aspect to his game. Goals abeka. Even so say Usyk last season. Check it goals or share and check it this season. A vast improvement. Baba Musa Meduna no Kasano. He joined them from the Division 1 just this season. Yeah. Wamaya how many goals? Double figures, 10 goals so far in the Premier League. So Omodieno. And your selection omo based on sentiment. And your selection are based on player where they known to me more. Oh, manager, coach, me feel so better me abo. If we continue to kid with ourselves, there is no better KPI. Our house of folk or media to just say we measure player way into what bear 4 matches. 4 matches now what passes do say accuracy bear 40% in you are not fit to continue to start for house of folk. Maybe anyhow until the coach knew who any training eye test now or the be juma. And eye test can be deceiving. The players na ka so mo jine mo na the omo ye and omo ye coach buofu a self say ni bufu. But the point also goes to the players. Don't they have any form of shame? Okay, and fancy and that's on here. Starts as you know, and that's a Star Sports verse. Ebina even so say Usyk or the Namon.
Yeah,
good.
Yeah.
Into all that Premier League table Nasra over here. If they tell you the number of minutes or more video analysis team, data team at Naseke Kanyoma boom at the year preparation for Manchester. But these things they do count. Has players don't they have any shame? Or do they have access to smartphones or more check it Premier League table baby or if you wear the House of Folk Jesse, remember Tnahan can't tactics in the statistics in can way about a player now bo house of folk bosumi bia oje waketua oje bonus ofa phone checking league table no share house of folk bia goals are wash wins are when points and to say and count say you ho a and me nya show so person obobo ko enim. I'm sorry, but the course we there players no, if they are shameless, then they will continue to suffer this same fate. They should prove the coach wrong, they should prove the fans wrong. As it stands, none of them and a quality material for House of Folk yet. Okay. They need to prove.
Wo mate mame fa course na afi ye mame to aso ne mum togbe a bank kaze glebo so kalu ase monkoso ana monhwe no e wo Takas TV e wo YouTube spiritual olden day stocks afi e ban teachings and cheche bia wo so nya direct for beda so da na optimism omo de uti ye cross bar challenge ne nyina na ye abomode anso be monitor togbe na wo hu anuoma e wo wiase bi sanse bibi wo ho pa Joseph Jase Bonfo Hospital Junction 0244484747
na oba bi ne bedai oba one ne bedai ne ho afepon wo shape nti no omompa yenti ala se
o nyane sa why well, the kind happy birthday going out to Jima report junction Jima and wa da show wa da panyamin show na onye wakoma so ade enfama afei happy birthday going out to Justice aka Atuguba or master eater for it alignment or Justice Atuguba birthday crowd them say anya BBC nti Atuguba and wa da show happy birthday and the tosomi and happy birthday to Nana Jesse our Central SDA Church and our from father Atabuachi Chaser and o mama gift ye champion e wa gonna say yawe show our dapa nyamenka hona onton super enwu o birthday so Nana Jesse once again happy birthday e kwama happy birthday to loudest Nana Akosuya Adoma from father Elvis Amponsa eho until loudest Nana Akosuya Adoma and e wa woda nyini nebe penimpa. Last but not the least happy birthday to Kabila Sak or US Kabila Sak. Happy birthday and so call amount and anopay 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Penny Yetio.
Fancy Bogode.
Nyame adum.